DJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at SM Seaside Cebu. We are waiting for someone who is very popular in Philippines, who has a viral song on Spotify, and you know that because it's a Bisaya song mixed with hip hop and some kind of, you know, dance. And then yeah, I hope we can see her right now. Okay, just don't forget to hit like and subscribe and click that notification bell right over there, and then smash that like button and share this video and share peace and love. Alright. Okay guys, so the most awaited part, ang amuang yulat-ulat kay, I think she will be arriving like real soon, and then just gonna prepare. And then thanks for the snacks. Okay, gigutom ko. Wala pa ko snacks ganiha. Gikan ko office, wala pa ko snacks. So, yeah. Salamat. I think magsugod na ang program, magsugod na ang presscon ni Secret.
You really need the Cebuana.
Cebuana.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Murag ang original Bisaya music, I genuinely feel na murag we lack the recognition and respect in our own country, no? Kailangan ma-tunggan punta sa Manila, the whole Philippines. Kay sa tinuod lang, ang Bisaya music, dili man baduy, bisag daghan na gingon. Gusto ko pang sayaw-sayaw ang akong kanta niya. Ako siya gihimo pag November. So, nakauna-una ako, sama yun ako na ako'y single karong Sinulog, no? So, naka-take ko na, ang Sinulog, sayaw, yun na. So, sige, hindi mo tag sayaw na kanta. Pop, and the meaning of pop is popular. So, yeah. So mo to. Ito inspiration.
Thank you.
Thank you kayo sa pag-anin ninyo, ha. Salamat kayo sa support, ha. Bisaya music, Bisaya music.
This is Lover. Okay, can you play it?
Okay, good.
Volume, please, volume.
It's a beautiful song, but of course I won't be showing you guys because it's a teaser only for us media, and I know I got some copyright issues, so see you later.
You really need the Cebuana. I'm more than a summertime lover. Arriba, arriba, arriba.
Hi, Sinulog, can you just say share peace and love?
Share peace and love.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Share peace and love.
Bye. Thank you. Oh my God.
Sample, sample. Hey, hey, hey. Showdown, showdown. Go. Hey. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, oh. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. Hey, hey, oh. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Hi.
So guys, that's our event here at SM Seaside, and we should teleport to the next event. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so we are now here at Plaza Independencia for Sinulog 2018 kickoff. But while I was on my way here, ningkalitra og bundak ang ulan, and ang naitabo basta kaya akong pants, and then the weather will be good because it's gonna be an amazing kickoff program. Alright. So guys, what are we gonna so what are we going to do is we will roam around here at Plaza Independencia and gonna check out the stalls and then the lurkers. Actually, ang kanyang mga stalls is sauna kasi sa Puente ni siya, but it was transferred here at Plaza Independencia for the first time in history. I don't know if it's true or not, but you can comment down below if I'm correct or not. So let's go.
this would be a vlog takeover, no? Kay si inyong master kakaon pa with kanang fork with tissue. So guys, kato day ang pinakabagong style ngayon sa pagkaon na to. So guys, mo na tong vlog takeover guys, kay nagkaon ba tong master, no? So
subscribe to his channel. It's me,
boy. Ay saba niya. Link is down in the description down below. Links down below. Link is in the bio. Link is under below. Basta na ang link sa ubos.
Gutom pa ko, bahala mo.
So kaon sa inyong master.
Sinulog is an annual cultural religious festival and is considered to be first of most popular festivals in the Philippines. And part of the celebration is a nightly activities and shows at Plaza Independencia starting January 12 to January 21. Expect various of shows here at Plaza Independencia, such as cultural shows from schools, concerts from various bands including Parokya ni Edgar, Coke Studio artists, Sinulog idols, and more. And what I love most is the fact that it is all for free. Also, Sinulog goes high-tech with a Sinulog 2018 mobile app, which will be your must-have digital buddy who will help you move around the country's grandest celebration. Hey guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come visit and enjoy Sinulog 2018 all here at the Queen City of the South, Cebu City.
Yes!
Yeah! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share. Peace! Hello! Bye!